Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this Gigabyte Windforce OC 12GB GeForce RTX4070. So I got this card used at around USD 3080, and as you know, the new GPU, new 50 series by nvidia has been just a pepper launch. So I've been waiting for the performance of the 5060 Ti and 5060 series, but I don't think their price is going to be as good as the last generation or even worth the upgrade based on the price. Yeah, so I'll be upgrading from 3060 to this 4070, expecting about 80% more performance, but for the price USD 380, and I got this used with still at least 1 year and above warranty. I think this is a good price, but let me know your thoughts on this. Without further ado, let's go through this box. So this is the OC edition. The 40 series features DLSS 3, Ray Tracing, Reflex Studio, and you can see it has 3 fans, 12GB of GDDR6X. One of the reasons I chose this GPU is also because I don't want to go down from the 12GB 3060 12GB VRAM I have. So and at this era, even the minimum VRAM you should get is at least 12GB. So yeah, as you can see, these fans are turning anti-clockwise. Only the middle turns clockwise, which is cool. 3 unique blade fans with alternating spinning function effectively dissipate heat, and there's a flow through screen cooling. Extended heatsink allows air to pass through for better heat dissipation. Also, it has 3 display for 1.4A and 1 HDMI 2.1A. So it has a metal backplate for protection, provide aesthetic shape, but also enhance the structure of the GPU to provide complete protection. Ultra durable VGA. So it says it uses ultra durable certified chokes and capacitors. Graphic card provides outstanding performance and longer system life. And what else are there? Cutting edge GPU, Lovelace architecture, and realistic and immersive graphic, accelerated performance, DLSS 3, game winning responsive nvidia Reflex, game ready and studio drivers, nvidia Studio, nvidia Broadcast, nvidia Encoder. So this GPU was released back in 2023. So what you need is at least a PCIe graphics slot required, and Windows 10 and or 11 64-bit or Linux 64-bit operation system and above. It uses 1 PCIe 8 pin, and your power supply needs to be recommended to be at least 650 watts. So without further ado, let's open this box up and have a look at the GPU itself. So basically this is the budget variant actually, but it is an off-year edition, features factory overclock settings. So just a little bit faster. And this is the box itself, quick guide, stuff like that. It doesn't use the fire catching plug, it just uses 1 times 8 pin, which is good enough for me because my 3060 is also using 1 times 8 pin now. And the TDP of this GPU is typically 200 watts, so it's not the 4070S Super, this is just a 4070. So yeah, it's quite heavy, but it's not as very long, even though it features 3 fans. Yeah, you see the sticker keeps dropping, and then the fans here will spin like so, and then only the middle will spin like so. Both sides are all cut out for the air to flow through for better cooling, and as mentioned just now, you see flow through heatsink here, and this is a metal backplate. Cool. And then also the 1 times 8 pin here. So this GPU should be fairly cool given the low TDP, 200 watt. just a little bit higher than my 3060. And as you can see, the IOs here, 3DP 1.4a, one HDMI 2.1a, and then some cutouts here. So it's a little bit taller than here, as you can see, but it's not humongous. And it's a little bit more than 2 slots, maybe 2.1, 2.2 slots, which is very manageable in most PC cases at today's time, because GPU just keeps getting bigger and bigger. So yeah, I don't know if this, I don't think this lights up, but this doesn't light up. I'm not quite sure if there's any RGB here, but I'm not expecting that. And I'm trying to go low profile as I don't want to have many things to maintain. So yeah, you can see some copper heat pipes there. I think there's at least 3 of them extending out. So 3 contact extending to the left and to the right. And I do expect this GPU to be pretty cool, given the perhaps overcooling of this GPU. So yeah, and it comes with the pink protector here. Very good. So other love this is, I think it's 5nm or 4nm, and then it also supports frame generation, and although only single frame gem, and also supports DLSS4, which is a huge upgrade for the series GPUs, to be honest. It's just that it doesn't support multi-frame gen, but multi-frame gen does introduce a lot of latencies, and you need a good base frame rate in order to use that. So yeah, I'll be plugging this into my PC with 5700X3D and run a few games and see how it performs. But I do think that for the price at this era, yeah, this is a good deal. Alright, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you found this useful. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.